I'm Rodger Sansom. Welcome to Allen, Maryland. On my farm we have a 12 kW system that's almost 10 years new. I invested in solar because I felt that it would be a wise financial decision for our farm. When we were evaluating adding solar, the counsel I received from Paradise Energy rose to the top of the list, where I could tell they really wanted to help me make the best decision for our farm. The installation team from Paradise Energy showed up when they said they would show up. I didn't even know they were here. It was seamless operation. It was a wonderful experience. I am a full-time active real estate agent, and finally we're at a point where the appraisers and banking industry is recognizing the value of having a solar system on your home. That does add value, and for buyers of homes, with energy costs being, like everything else, always going up in cost, that the buyers are extremely interested in a home with solar. In knowing what I know now and my good experience with solar and Paradise Energy, I would have simply done it sooner.